Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? In this video, I'm going to be opening 8 booster packs and gonna go hunting for some Mews. So I'm going to go in this order and see what we can get. Thank you guys very much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Okay. Alright. Let us see what we can get. Hokey Breeder. Uh-oh. Arbok. Wow. Venomous Fang. Bloom. Ekans, that's cool. I love how they do, like, you know, the Ekans and the Arbok. They kind of go together. Voltorb. That's a mouthful. Reverse Hollow Great Ball. Just like the Hidden Fates Great Ball collection. And a Hollow Keldeo. Keldeo? Still learning the names. There you go, that's pretty cool. Alright, off to a good start on these packs so far. Pretty good start, if I do say so myself. Alright, second pack. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to be doing videos, random videos like this, literally as much as I can. So I do appreciate all the support, and if you like, you can certainly comment. I love hearing feedback, or if anyone's interested in anything, has a specific question. Like there was someone that commented on one of my videos recently that I've been meaning to do a video to show them how many booster packs I have and whatnot. That's a work in progress. Recycle energy. Recycling is important. Alright. Alolan Grimer. Carablast. Fetching. What's he fetching? That sword thing. Pikachu. Giant Bomb. Uh-oh. Reverse Hollow Giant Bomb and Amogus. Regular rare Amogus. Alright. Still no Mews or Mewtwos, but we'll get there. Alright. Pick up the pace here. Water Energy, Metapod, Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap, Eevee, Ekans, Charmander, Psyduck, Magikarp, love that little guy, Misty's, City Gym, can't pronounce that, didn't play the game or watch the show, so. And a regular rare Mr. Mime. Okay. XY, my favorite. I honestly like XY more than Sun and Moon for some reason. Alright, Special Energy, Burning Energy. Swoobat, Heavy Ball, Axew. I can't pronounce that. Didn't even know they had those things in the E's. Skiddo, Reverse Hollow, Typhlosion, and regular rare Noctowl. Okay. Halfway through, sorry for the cringe. Looks like a good card. Water Energy. Ultra Ball. I know those are sought after in the actual trading card game. So many Arbogs. So many different sets, I think, but so many Arbogs. Ivysaur, which reminds me of a series I want to do. Totodile. Bulbasaur. I love the holo from the cereal packs 2019 of him. Pikachu. Reverse holo. Floatzel. Okay.
Hello there.
Wow, Shining Arceus. I don't even know what set that was from. That was from a Shining Legends. Wow. That looks awesome. I think I've seen this around. I had to look that up. It's cool. Put him there. Him there. That's awesome. Unified Minds. Sorry about not giving out code cards. Never know when I'm gonna need them. I will be giving some out, just not in the next couple videos. Maybe after that. Luna. Pikachu again. I like that art. Lickitung. It's one of my first Unified Minds in my life I'm opening. Not used to these arts yet. Unidentified Fossil. Reverse and Noivern. Wow, I know what I need to brush up on that. Hidden Fates. Hidden Fates is a really great name for the set because for a very long time when it first came out with those Mew pin boxes, they were hidden because they were sold out in all the stores. 4 for the card trick on majority of Sun and Moon, if not all of it. Brock's Grit. I wish there was a secret rare Brock's Grit. I don't think there is. Farfetch'd. Graveler. Staryu. Ekans once again. Eevee once again. Pikachu. Clefairy.
Hello there.
Shiny Rockruff. And a Kangaskhan. That's cool. Alright, last but not least, maybe we'll get some last pack magic and pull a Mew. Yeah, 1 code card. Won't kill me. I did that wrong. Okay. It's supposed to be 3 for XY, and I did 4 by mistake. Alright. Zoroark. Hollow. XY Hollow. I'll take it. Go through these real quick. I always loved getting rainbow energies as a kid. Reverse Hollow Snover. Alright. No Mew, but highlights of this, I believe, are these guys. Let's not forget the Ultra Ball we got, but I'd say my favorites were the Shining Arceus, the Hollow Keldo, that guy we just pulled, that shiny dude we just pulled. Look at him. Typhlosion, because I have an older Typhlosion Reverse Hollow somewhere. Or I gave it away in a Facebook group, I'm not sure. One of the two, I can't remember. And that little Mr. Mime. Yeah, so thank you guys very much for watching this video. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. It's 12:20 a.m. December 3rd, 2019 when I'm doing this and everyone else is asleep. But yeah, thank you and have a great night.